night for your adventure, your mountain.
It's my birthday.
Look at this trove, treasures untold, how many wonders. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. That is, brother. And so I'll read a book, or maybe two or three. Okay, go stand next to the sign. You too, Mimi. This right here is a trap. Careful it doesn't pop out.
The red spots. Yo, you gotta take care of the meat. Oh! Mommy!
What? It's Philly City! Happy birthday! Does it fit?
Happy birthday, dear Noble. Happy birthday to you.